Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm the mother of efficiency. Yes, I had already a client, I did 2 rounds of laundry, and now I have exactly 25 minutes until the next client is coming, so I have to finish this. It's the 5th time I'm recording this because once it was not in focus, once it was like, I don't know, I didn't take my pill for ADD, so I was like all over the place. Hopefully this time it will be more to the point. So if you didn't watch already my under the stairs drawers video, you can go now and watch it. It's part of the hallway transformation that I did in my house, and today I'm gonna take you to the next level of the walls. Basically, I had to transform a space that was very dark, painted in 2 colors, a lot of angles, a lot of I don't know, spaces waited to be taken care of. So I first took care of all the holes and defects in the walls that I had, fixing an infiltration of water, and then after the paint I applied what it's called board and batten, which is not quite board and batten in my place because I didn't use any board. I just put a batten on the walls. So I'm gonna take you through the time lapse of the entire operation, because it was a big one, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. So continue watching to see how everything came out. So I succeeded to take out the decorations, to move the shoes from there to here. I was thinking that I have to drill into the concrete wall, and I can't right now because of the hour, but I realized that I can buy probably some double side adhesive tape and just, glue it, fix it a bit against the wall. Now I have to fix the wall also here to find a solution to build that shelf unit, I don't know, and maybe with this occasion this side will look better. Anyway, off to go. From an older project, we had some leftovers of drywall and those metal bars that are used to build the separation between walls, or basically to connect drywall when you're building those kind of things. Obviously, I had no idea what I was doing. I had some leftovers that I was just planning to try to make like a tiny wall that would hide some shelves there. You can see a lot of improvisations because I didn't have 2 bars, so I used one for the place where I thought I needed the most support. and I thought that the wall is not big enough to, be needed more than I used. You know, arranging all the holes, aligning everything, cutting the leftovers. It's not perfectly straight or, aligned, but it's not that visible, and I see that because I know where I did what I did, but who's coming in the house, they're not noticing that thing. It was my first time using spray paint, like a machine to paint the walls. I can say I'm very impressed with it. I had to work a lot to clean all the drops that were flying all over, even though I covered everything. Yeah, in the evening, I could say that I found paint in the most crazy places. So in the end, I started to take the roll again, and the classic old one, and I finished painting everything with the roller, not with the spray, with the pump more exactly. So everything is covered, and even like this I'll have to clean a lot. Here I'm gonna end this line. I didn't decide it yet what color will be in the living room. Yesterday I installed also this lamp that has it's the same like the other one. I had something else before. You can see from this picture the difference in the white, how the white looks. Lower it's a warmer white. I think it looks a bit greenish because of the reflection of the foil. We'll see after that. I'm planning to paint today this wall and to finish the one that I did yesterday here. This is the wall that I built in order to cover some of the angles that you could see from the stairs. And here it's gonna be the floating shelves. I'm gonna buy like a wood that will close this not very pretty finish that I had. The mirror, I was not very happy with it here, but it will remain because it's glued on the drywall, and I'm afraid that if I'm removing it I'll have to clean a lot, and maybe, I don't know, I'll ruin the wall. Let's see, actually maybe I can already remove this, because in this area I finished with the paint. Let's see how it looks. I hate to paint, and I hate this preparation of, see, not that bad, but not amazing. But anyway, the fact that this is the same color, it makes the space look much better. I started to paint the handrails in black. After I finished painting everything, I realized that I don't like the wood being painted in black, so in the end I choose something else. Preparing also here the wood boards for the batten. I used a website to calculate exactly the space between the two wood sticks. I don't remember exactly what's the name, but if someone is interested, let me know in the comments and I'll try to find it. This went quite easy, but on the upper part here, it took a long time because I had to use two ladder to climb there because it's quite high. But I succeeded in the end, like I always do. So let's make an update of the work scene. This in the end will look either very cool or a catastrophe, which I really hope will not, because if I have to remove all those from the walls and fix the walls after me, it will be like tragic. So this is the wall that I did. It's not finished. The paint, I have to apply another layer. This I have to fix. It's not attached yet. Here will be the floating shells. The brackets are on the way, so would be another few days till I'm getting them. Here I didn't finish the lower part, and because the wall is a mess, as you can see how straight the wall is. So there, anyway, I have to try to connect it to the wall. I don't know, probably only with a screw I'll succeed. And now on this side, ta-da! I'm really nervous about this. Like, when my husband came home, he was in shock. Like, what is this? Like, how it's supposed to look cool? Well, he didn't say that, but anyway. So let's get dirty and work. I had to use about 3 tubes, like big tubes of paste, in order to fill all the gaps between the wood and the walls, because the walls were really uneven. This took a long time to do all those fixings, but when I got to the paint, I was really happy, like starting to look put together. I thought at the beginning that I can just glue those shoe closets on the wall, but I tried and it didn't really work. So in the end I had to drill the holes and, connect them to the wall properly. So if you got so far, you saw how I transformed my hallway. I worked really hard for this, and I'm quite proud of me for how it looks right now, even though I should have used a different style for the wall molding, maybe the same thing that I used in this room where I have my beauty salon room. I did it like a year and a half ago, and I thought it's a better fit for my hallway to do it as I did it, but now if I would have to do it again, I will definitely use something else, because with the way my walls were looking, would have been a better solution to use something else. So I hope you liked it, and if you did, I would appreciate if you would subscribe or like or comment to my video. It helps not only for my confidence, but also it's important for YouTube to see if the people are appreciating what I'm doing. So I hope I'll see you in the next one, where I'll show you how I build. No, I didn't build that. There I didn't build. I installed the stickers on the floor, and I wrapped the handrail in leather, or vegan leather, more precise. Thanks again for watching. Bye.